Today's Kashmir is a nuclear ring surrounded by the nuclear powers. India, China, Pakistan, and even Afghanistan is a proxy nuclear state. Asian summit should be organized as early as possible. Heads of the states and the government should sit together and try to see that how best and how early they are able to resolve these issues. Bilateralism has miserably failed in the context of Pakistan and India. The famous massacre of people in Jammu was not properly reported in Pakistan and Indian media, but in Newsweek it was reported that 250,000 people were massacred in Jammu during the transitionary period. 600,000 people have laid down their lives seeking their right of self-determination. It is against the law of nature that all these sacrifices, they go unattended. Sooner or later, it has to come and logical end. So many initiatives in the recent past they were taken from one side or the other. But unfortunately, Kashmiri's association with the process has not been accepted. Unless and until the actual sufferers, they are associated, they are involved, there cannot be any reasonable progress. It was supposed to be simplified for the Kashmiris, divided families, people here and there, people from all regions of Kashmir, trade, travel, tourism, people-to-people contact of both the administrations between Muzaffarabad and Srinagar. That would have been helpful. All parties Hurriyat conference leaders, elderly people like Sayyid Ali Gilani and others, they are denied of the basic right of traveling facilities, traveling documents. Even for religious obligations, they are not allowed to move freely within the state and outside the state. So that situation cannot continue for indefinite time. Region can never ever get stable and peaceful unless Pakistan and India, they come to normal terms, and they can never ever, unless and until Kashmir is resolved politically through the association of Kashmiris. The leadership of both armies has to get into the dialogue, as the politicians do, and a regular time-bound political process with the association of Kashmiris most definitely is going to take us to logical end. So